Alright, back with another maintenance. No, the thing go. Nashi, get that something there. Just pull out all of them. Something right. On the side right. So I gotta do oil change. Go in the back seat and get the air filter, big blue box. And get out the def fluid, the brown box them. Just take out one of them for now, the one that open. I like use an air filter here. I like use an air filter here. And put it by here, right, that's one. Yeah, so you see it. That and roll up on it. Piece of wood there. Another maintenance. I got the grease into. Me put my grease gun in there. Yeah? Put that right there. Me put my grease gun. Oh, see it there. Just put a new grease in it. So yeah. Salt out. Whatever I need to salt out. Grease up the knuckles them and yeah. When I'm done, I go throw some of this in a tank. Lucas the injector cleaner. Throw some of that in the tank and sitting and go full up. Yeah. Right there. Just kind of back it up on the side of the trailer. Alright, see then. I have to cut off. I've got order oil change pan. But see there? Them tub. You just cut off oil I go. Just use this. Bust off that. You don't know I need that. Just this way. You go underneath. Go underneath the truck now. No, you can't go underneath there. You don't want to go away there. Right, see the iron pan right now. Right underneath there. Yeah man, let's get to it. Boom. Alright, see there. Underneath the truck you know. So this is how I need for bust. This is the drain plug. You see what I say? I'm gonna bust this. Everything good. So I just need a ratchet. This is perfect. Alright. Go bust it here now. Alright, I can't bust it. This can't bust it. Yo, pass me. A matter of fact, pass me that driller. At least I have to go use that and bust it. Take my little time. This I have to go use that and bust it. Probably have to go. That boss. Alright, see that? Boss! Alright. Woo. Okay. Yeah, man. Alright. You pan, make sure you see it. So meanwhile, we are draining the oil. This is the oil filter. But furthermore, so these are the drain plug. We usually clean it up. Clean it up. I'm gonna get me pick. Usually it's the O-ring. It's all O-ring. I don't know. Let's clean it up into. See me? Clean it up. I don't know. That's what's alright then. Go. Bust down this. It's a new O-ring there. This now, new O-ring. That's it, that's right, that's all. Alright, cut. Go to the big dog now. So meanwhile, like I said, the aisle a drain. You have the new O-ring for the oil filter and new oil filter. This is what it looked like. New oil filter. There you go. You need this size. Go on this. So I'm probably have a if you don't need an adapter, you can straight though. This was part of the air filter. So this fit perfect. So yeah, I'm probably gonna need a bigger ratchet. One second. Alright. Longer ratchet. So meanwhile, let that drain. Alright. Where is this one? Alright, so this is the oil filter. So this is the O-ring. We'll go change. Put back a new one. If it change all the O-ring on that. So the oil filter. Ooh. Yeah, oil. This is the way it looks. Alright. So the oil cover. So I'm gonna do this. Ready? Hold on. a little bit. We'll clean up the spatter spot. We'll put the fresh new oil O-ring. Right, this one. So, right, this one. New O-ring. Buy them Arbor Freight. Just you see them on them cheap. You buy them, you never know say they might look like dishwashing gloves. You never know say them this style. You never don't pay attention, but hey, use them, same way. Alright, that is it. New O-ring. Alright, up at now, so new oil filter. Have a little slat that you push it down in, and firm, see? Firm. And then put down back the cap on it. Start it with your hand. And I'll be back. Get a long extension. Because whenever they have too much space to work with right there. So I'm gonna go try over. I'll go over there. Perfect. Go over there. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, now we're back underneath the truck. Alright, so Nashi, give me a piece of paper towel real quick. See there? New O-ring and everything are going on. New O-ring gone in. Look at that. Whew. I will turn it down real quick. We'll put it a 1. Alright, I'm gonna put it 2. Make sure say have the right torque. Alright, I'm gonna hit that. I think good. Alright, what about this? And this. Alright. Alright, now so don't put back the drain plug in. Make sure say tight to the let's hold it like this. Alright, now hold it.
Yeah.
Make sure say I push it down in like here. First, right now. Alright. Aisle. Change now. See it there? This a truck here. It's a 2020 International RH613. So it take 10.5 gallon basically. So see the 2.5 gallon, and I have a 1 gallon. So I just throw whatever needs to make it up. Anyway, I'll change now, so you don't know this I change now. You don't, this easy. Air filter, simple and easy. All I have to do, I just twist, boom, pop off, pull out. Okay. Air filter. It don't look bad at all, but we'll do it now. Still get a little bit of clearance. Make sure it's the same thing, but you already know it's the same thing. Let's see the difference between the new one and the old one. Much different, but you can see the whole. Alright. So, slide it in, just like that. Perfect. It still fit. Alright, lock in. Everything good. Clean up. Right, that's up to. Very much cleaning. I might go ahead and change the fuel filter. Just load up the diff. You don't know that go. So I'm going to now go transfer dirty oil back into them two here. Alright, I'm out.